Let's talk email marketing statistics. 81% of small businesses rely on email marketing as their primary marketing channel. For every $1 they spend, they typically see $42 in return. And what's really crazy is those email marketings that you don't think anybody's opening, well, they typically have a 21% open rate. What does that mean to you? Well, if you're sending out 4 emails a month, odds are you're getting in front of your entire audience. The primary reason small businesses aren't using email marketing, they don't know where to start. So let us help you out with that. Go ahead and get started by going to HubSpot and creating a free email marketing account. After you've created an account, you can click on Contacts in the upper left-hand corner. Go ahead and click on the Contacts in the drop-down. You have 2 options. You can click on Import or create a contact manually. To import, just click on the Import button. Go ahead and follow the prompts as directed by the software. Once you've finished your import, you go ahead and click on Finish Import. Your other option is to do it manually by clicking on the Create a Contact button. Go ahead and put in your contact's email address, first name, last name, and any other important information. Go ahead and click on Create Contact or click on Create Another Contact. Once you have all your contacts created, you're going to want to create a list by clicking on Contacts and then the List button. Go ahead and click on the Create List button in the upper right-hand corner. And go ahead and fill out the prompts. Once you've created your active list, you're going to want to click on Contact Properties, go ahead and type in email, select email, and then select when email is known. This will bring in all of the emails into your marketing list. Once you have an active email list ready to go, you can write your first email. Go ahead and do that by clicking on Marketing and then Email. To get started, click on the Create Email button in the upper right-hand corner. Go ahead and click on the Welcome email template to get started. Next, you're going to put in your company logo. Go ahead and click on the company logo image at the top of your email. Click on the Replace button. Go ahead and click on the Add Image button in the lower right-hand corner. Go ahead and upload from your computer. Double-click on the body of the email and delete out the templated text. Go ahead and add in the text for your email. After that, you're going to want to add a button. Just simply click on the button icon and drag it into the body of your email. Go ahead and add a link to your website by typing in the website link underneath of link URL. After that, you can label your button by clicking the field underneath the button name and labeling your button. Click on Settings at the top of the screen. Double check to make sure that the from name is correct, that the from address is correct, and then go ahead and add in your subject line and preview text. Click on Send or Schedule at the top of the screen. In the Send To, you want to select the drop-down and pick the list that you created earlier. Next, you want to send yourself a test email. After you've sent yourself a test email and everything looks okay, go ahead and click on Review and send your email. If you need any help setting up your account or writing your first email, you know where to find us.